Okay.
Alright. Hello everybody, I just got my Influencer, the most reviewed, top rated, best in the beauty box today. I wanted to do an unboxing and show you guys what's in here. When we first open it, this is what it looks like. Get this wrapping paper out of the way. Alright, well, let's get started. First, I'll get these papers out of here and see what they say. It comes with information cards on what's in here and also pricing. And then there's a coupon and information on hair color. And then here is this little book thing, and it says most reviewed, top rated, best in the beauty, the Influencer box. And then this, oh, it's not a book, it's a post card. And it just shows you what's all in here. And it tells you the ratings and the reviews. So, alright, let's get started and see what's in here. First thing I got out of here is this little thing. It's the Origins Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream to brighten and depuff. That's really nice. I like that kind of stuff. It's something I'm definitely looking into using. It comes in this cute little jar here. I'll show you what it looks like. Oh, it comes with this little topper. Ooh, that's a pretty color. It's kind of like a goldish, pinkish, shimmery. Doesn't smell bad either. Alright. And then the next thing in here is Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. And this is in the color Lolita. And I will swatch it for you and let you guys see what it looks like swatched. Ooh. It's a pretty color. That's what it looks like swatched on my wrist. Alright. Next thing in here is the Coola Classic Sunscreen. White tea, moisturizer, hydrating, organic sun care. And it is the SPF 50. It's pretty packaging. And it's a sport kind. I'm going to open it up and see if it has a smell to it. No, it doesn't really have a smell. Alright, I'm going to move this boxings out of the way. Alright, the next thing we have in here is Unique Moodstruck Epic Mascara. I love mascara. Mascara and eyeliner are my favorite. That and eye creams. And masks. I like masks too. Oh, that's a pretty cool little thing. I like how they packaged that. Oh, that's the lid. Okay. It's a nice little wand there. Pretty nice, decent size mascara. Alright. Next thing we have in here, the lid came off of it, is the Batiste Instant Hair Refresh Dry Shampoo. I love dry shampoo. Vibrant and fruity neon. I'm going to spray it. It smells good. That really does smell good. It is a vibrant, fruity smell. It's good. Alright. Next thing we have in here is, it's our 10th anniversary. To celebrate, we are giving away a luxury trip for 2. Learn more and enter to win at orb.com/anniversary. That's really nice. And this is also a dry texturizing spray from Orb. And I know this stuff's good because I've had this. Alright, next thing is Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo. Man, there's a lot of dry shampoo in here, and I love that. So there's another thing of that. And then this is Tresemme, used by professionals, strong hold with touchable feel. This is hairspray. It's 4 strong. And then we have a Laura Mercier Steady Set Go. And this is cute little pad in there to use, and it's got the little thing you can put your fingers in, and it's a little powder for your face. It's a setting powder, I guess. Saturate the puff with powder, tap away excess, gently press and roll the powder onto the skin. So it's like a finishing powder. That's really nice. Alright, the next thing we have is Purity Philosophy. Purity is natural. We come into this world with all of the right instincts. We are innocent and perceive things as they should be, rather than how they are. Our conscience is clear, our hands are clean, and the world at large is truly beautiful. It's a 3-in-1 cleanser for face and eyes. It's a cute little thing. Alright. We have a bunch of little baggies in here of stuff, so let's see what's in these. There is a Real Techniques by Sam and Nick Miracle Complexion Sponge for foundation and BB cream. That's really nice. There's Good Genes Sunday Riley Lactic Acid Treatment. There is Shave Cream by EOS. It's moisturized for smoother, softer skin. That's nice. And we also got Love, Beauty and Planet Coconut Water and Mimosa Flower. That's my favorite. I've got this stuff and I love it. It smells really good. Open this bubble wrap. This must be some powdered stuff that you want to get broke. Nope. Alright. We have ColourPop Super Shock Shadow. And I'll open it up and let you guys see what this looks like. And this is broken, so definitely be contacting them on that. And it was still in the bubble wrap. Swatch this for you and let you guys see. I'm not very disappointed in that being broken, but that is very pretty. Shimmery, goldy looking. That is very pretty. Alright, moving on. We got Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Vanilla Quartz. That's nice. Creamy luxury powder that builds skin in a soft pearlized glow with a luxury velvet fresh. This on the box. Oh, that's a pretty cool little container they got it in. It's really nice. It's like a lock that you turn, put your stuff into. Oh, that is very pretty. And it's got its own little mirror. That's so cool. Let's swatch that for you. I'll use this mirror. Ooh, that is very pretty. See it there by that gold swatch. Very shimmery and pretty. Alright, next thing is Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. Ooh, luminizer. Alright. I'm gonna open it. I'll let you guys see what it looks like. Well, who wants to work with me? the sticker down here. No? There it goes. Get it to peel with me. Can you open that? Yeah, my husband to open it for me because I can't get it. And once he's doing that, I'll open up this. It's CoverGirl Trunked Chocolate. It's new. Ooh, I like this. I don't have nails, so I'm going to have him open this too. He's going to hand me back the highlighter, and I'll swatch this for you guys. That's a pretty little flower on there. Alright. And I'll swatch it right here for you. Ooh, that one's pretty too. It kind of looks about the same as the other one though. So there's that swatch. And that is this one right here. Alright, now moving on to the CoverGirl. Comes with its own little thing here, which I don't really care for that thing. And I will swatch this for you guys. Let me pull up my shirt and I will do it on my arm here. Alright. There's the one. Two. That one you can't really see on my skin. Two more to swatch, and then I will be letting you guys see what these look like. Some of them very sparkly. Alright, there's the swatch from the gold down to the orange. That's what that looks like. They're very sparkly. This one you probably can't really see because it kind of blends into my skin, but I like those. Those are really pretty. Okay, now my fingers are all messed up from swatching this. So hopefully we don't have nothing else to swatch in here. Alright. Ooh. Let's see. Alba Botanica Hawaiian Detox Warming Mud Mask. That's awesome. Anti-pollution, volcanic clay, hypoallergenic. And of course it has the no parables and all that stuff. 100% vegetarian ingredients, and this is new. It's pretty cool. And then we have, whoop, of course I drop it. Apple cider vinegar scalp scrub with pink Himalayan sea salt. Naturally exfoliates, cleanse the scalp, made with color locking technology, infused with avocado oil and aloe vera. It exfoliates, protects, and detox. And then we have new Garnier Chartreuse Color Vibrancy Treat 1 Minute Hair Mask. And that's really cool. It has no parables and all that stuff in it. And this is new also. So that's nice that we got all the new products and we get to try out and see. And then we got another little bag here. This is the last little bit of it. We got Pond's Dry Skin Cream, Rich Hydrating Facial Moisturizer. That's a pretty big tub of it, so that's really nice. We have Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Texturizing Sea Salt Spray, infused with dead sea salt and sea kelp. That's pretty cool. All these are pretty decent size, and they're all like normal size stuff. It's not like samples or anything. That are on the go samples that you can take with you traveling. Jergens Natural Glow gradually creates flawless, natural looking color. Daily moisturizer. Revitalizing formula with vitamins and antioxidants. And this is fair to medium skin tones, which is nice because that's what I would need to use. Alright. And then we have Origins Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream to brighten and depuff. So we got another little test of that. Then we have Shea Sugar Scrub. Coconut lime made with shea butter, coconut, and lime extracts. And this from Tree Hut. And that's what this little jar is. And it's pretty cool looking on the inside. That smells really good. It's definitely like a little exfoliating stuff. Got the little beads and stuff in there. And then we have the last thing in here is NYX Professional Makeup Matte Finish Funny Matte Long Lasting Lang Tenue Setting Spray. And that's in a different language, so I can't read that. But that's pretty nice. So there is all the stuff that comes in this little box here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.